This video shows how we get our green giants to grow straight in the field so they make a wonderful screening tree for you.
This is Bill at Highland Hill Farm, and today we're going to be using these small green bamboo stakes to tie up green giants. And we have this tying tape to use when we tie them up. The first thing you want to know about the bamboo is there's an upside and a downside. And right here is where a branch was coming out, and that points to the top of the tree. So we're going to put this end in the ground, leaving this end up in the air, and it'll make for a sturdier stake for the tree. Now, we're going to show you trees that are needing staking and trees that don't need staking, because you don't need to stake all trees. In fact, it's better if the tree is not staked than if it is for its long-term growth habitat. So you only want to use the staking as long as it's necessary to get the tree to start to grow on its own straight. And so now we're going to go over and show you some staking of trees. This is an example of a small green giant that was recently planted, and it shows that these green giants definitely need some staking. And that's because they're growing fast and vigorously, and they were grown in a pot, and they are not wind sturdy. So now we're going to show you how we stake these green giants. This is our stake, and this is the thick side, so this is going to go down in the ground. Now, one of the things we want to do is we want to put the stake on the opposite side of the tree that it's leaning to. And we force it into the ground until it's firmly in the ground. Now we take a little bit of tying tape, and you want to watch out that you don't jab your eye with this. The stake could get your eye. Now I'm not going to tie it down here because it's too low and the tree will bend over like that. I'm going to tie it more right up in here. And when I tie it, I'm not going to tie it real snug and firm up against the stake. I want to have some free play here so that the tree has room to grow. And I want to make sure that the tying tape can't fall down, so it's going to be near a branch. So now I'm going to give some free play here. Now what I do is I tie it once to a point where it has free play, and then I tie a knot in it. And that's all you have to do just to get this green giant to grow true and straight. It will straighten out on its own and be fine. Good. Okay, again, we're going to put the thick end of the stake in the ground on the opposite side the way the tree is bending. We'll pull the tree up. And sometimes you can also help it by pushing in with your foot. And we're going to tie it right about here. Not too far down, not too far up. And we're going to make sure we have some free play for this tree on the tying. Once, twice. Now you can see the free play there. That's what we want. And that tree is staked. Okay.
This video was produced at Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, and these are our green giant arborvitaes. Call us for your screening tree needs at 215-651-8329.